Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Former The Queen actor SK Khoza is back in the spotlight once again for all the wrong reasons, you guys. SK was recently involved in a verbal altercation that almost went physical, and his fans and social media users were left shocked about his behavior. A video of him left many concerned about his behavior after hearing him insulting and screaming at an old man, and many people were alleging that he looked very intoxicated in that video. Others assumed that he could be onto something and he needs help. It is not known whether the video is an old one or if it was recently taken. In the video, he is heard body shaming him and asking the old man if he knows who he is. The actor was recently accused of abuse by his ex-fiancée Ayanda Tlhongwane, who opened a case against him back in October 2021, you guys. He then got detained and appeared in court where he was released with a 2,000 rand bail, which then led to him losing his job on the soapy The Queen. SK Khoza went to his Instagram and responded to the trending video by writing, "Maybe some of us were meant to live and be great in another lifetime, and this one is just not for us." And that, guys, he sounds really, really depressed. Here's the video to that altercation, you guys, and please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on any upload from me. Here's the video.
Ushaka wabe queen ufemini. He's misbehaving.
You fat ass motherfucker. No, do you know me? Do you know me? Hey, sack. Do you ass? Hey, 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 hey.
You do something.